Well, the inversion is going to be sticking around a little bit longer, but we have some big changes in the works.
Yeah, storm is a brewing, right, Bob?
Yeah, it's going to be much weaker as a storm moves in for your Friday morning commute. It could be kind of dicey for tomorrow. Let's get right to it. A lot to talk about here. Our weather headlines: rain and snow for your Friday. The snow level's down to about 3,500 feet, 1 to 2 inches. And the snow will be a bit farther down along the foothills. We're probably looking at a rain-snow mix for your morning commute, or maybe just maybe we'll get lucky and just have some rain. But a slick Friday commute is possible, especially some of those higher elevations just above the valley floor. And the inversion weakens quite a bit. In fact, it's looking a bit weaker out there right now. We have clear skies over downtown Boise, but some clouds just off to our south. Under those conditions, Boise has dropped down from the 30s into the upper 20s now. 28 degrees. That clear sky makes a big difference. Started to clear up about 2 hours ago. I'm looking at satellite though, and we have some clouds moving in from the west, but I'm thinking a mixture of clouds and sunshine for your morning commute this morning. 32 degrees for Nampa, Caldwell at 32, 29 in Mountain Home, and McCall quite a bit cooler at 11 degrees. Satellite map has a couple disturbances. We have some clouds that are just poised to move into our area. We have clear skies. We've broken out that layer stratus clouds, but not for long. Kind of a weak disturbance move in. And then a couple disturbances moving in as we head into the weekend. Storm number 1, and there's storm number 2. From storm number 1, colder. It's going to be also wetter, and that will be Friday's storm moving in Friday morning. And then storm number 2, milder, drier. That's Sunday's storm. But from storm number 1, we're looking at kind of a rain-snow mix here in the valley locations with all snow for our mountain locations. Again, the snow level down to about 3,500 feet. That's almost down to the valley floor. And again, 1 to 2 inches possible. Some of our mountain locations will be getting quite a bit more snow. Here's our futurecast to spell it out for you. Here we're starting off with clear skies this morning, but some clouds moving in. As clouds increase this afternoon, there's just before 5 o'clock this evening. And then as we head into Friday morning, we start to see the precipitation start to move in. A rain-snow mix for the valley locations, all snow in the mountains. And again, the snow level is pretty low, 3,500 feet. And then it's pretty unsettled throughout the morning hours. There's 10:30 tomorrow morning. And then we pause it again, then we'll start to clear out in the evening hours. There's 6:30 in the evening, a break in the action, and that's through the early morning hours on Saturday. But then as we head into later in the day Saturday, clouds will increase in the afternoon, leading to some more precipitation moving in Saturday night into the early morning hours on Sunday. Then probably another break. Then that next frontal system moves in for later in the day on Sunday. Here's our tight futurecast. This is down to 4 kilometers or 2.5 miles. And then we have the clouds moving in for this afternoon. And then here comes the precipitation for tomorrow morning. There's 7 o'clock in the morning. Rain-snow mix here in the valley locations. Again, the snow all along the Boise front, and it stays unsettled through the morning hours, then clears out in the evening hours for Boise, but then another one moving in for Sunday. Here's our forecast. We're looking at partly cloudy skies for Twin Falls for today, 34 degrees. Sunshine for Sun Valley, partly cloudy for McCall. Your high about 26 degrees. Western end of the valley, after some clouds this morning, you're looking at a mixture of clouds and sun throughout much of the day, then the clouds increasing later in the day. Same thing for Boise. Mountain Home's high about 34, Boise's high about 35. Here's our extended forecast, and it calls for our unsettled days Friday and Sunday. A rain-snow mix on Friday, all rain on Sunday on into Monday. Back to the desk.
All right, thank you, Bob.